something that's within the control of the person in the meeting asking a quiet person could be to simply give them a heads up. You could say, Jerry, I'm going to come to you and ask you, what do you think about question B, for example? We're going to ask you this question B. But before we come to you, I'm just going to go to Jane first. And then we'll ask Jane, and then right after Jane, we'll come back to you next to see what you think. But if you got anything, maybe we can talk about it now.
Yeah.
So you've kind of
Love
given
that.
people the heads up that there's a question coming up.
Yeah.
You've given them an easy exit to make it okay to actually take a little bit more time to think. But
Yeah.
also know that they don't lose their space. They don't lose their opportunity to talk just because they need a little bit more time.
Yeah.
Now, as I'm talking, there was a third thing that came to my mind.
Let's hear it. Let's
Many
hear
of
it. Exclusive.
many of the meetings that we do these days might be online. But
Yeah.
how many meetings, virtual meetings, have we been in where the primary mode of communication is still video and audio, somebody speaking?
Yeah.
Over here on the right, you have a chat window. Why not start making acceptable and accepting chat as a first-class citizen way of communicating, just like speaking up verbally? Why
Yeah.
not use chat and accept that as a first-class way of speaking as well?
Yeah.
Because you don't have to interrupt people. When we are talking online like this, it is impossible. The technology makes it impossible to actually speak over somebody else. Everyone who wants to speak, there's only one person that can speak at a time. But
Yeah.
then you can have threaded conversations that happen in the chat window so that people can see what other people have to say without interrupting them mid-sentence.
Yeah.